Phonics friends, thank you for joining me as we learn a new sound. I hope you had your clever cereal for breakfast this morning. Let's get started. Today, the sound we're going to learn is Now, when I do this, it's my turn. And when I do this, I want to hear you joining in. Mm, mm, mm. Excellent. Now, let's look in my magic box and see if we can find anything that starts with the sound. Let's have a look. Ooh, I found a notebook. We can see there's an on our notebook. 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 Well done. See what else we can find that begins with the sound. Ooh, I found a needle. Can you say it? Needle. Needle. Well done. And this needle is actually used for knitting. Let's see if we can find anything else in our box. Ooh, I found a necklace. 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 Great job. So today we have found a necklace, needle, and a notebook. And they all start with the sound. Now we're going to learn how to write the sound. To write the sound, we start at the top, we go down, back up, round and down. Now I want you to join in at home using your magic finger, and you can also use your other hand as a magic piece of paper to write on. Get your fingers ready for writing, get your shoulders ready, and off we go. Magic fingers. So start at the top, down, back up, round and down. And remember, you keep your magic finger or your pen or pencil on the page at all times. So start at the top, down, back up, round and down. And again, at the top, down, back up, round and down. Well done. Now we are going to read some words that use the sound. Our first word is nap. Oh, I wish I could have one of those. My turn and then your turn. Nap. 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 Excellent. My turn. Nap. Nap. Your turn. Nap. Well done. Our next word is net. My turn. Net. Net. Your turn. Net. Well done. My turn. Net. Your turn. Net. Well done. And our last word for the day is not. My turn. Not. Your turn. Not. Well done. One last time. My turn. Not. Your turn. Excellent. Well done. You all worked so hard today. I wonder if you can think of your own words that use the n sound or find any objects that start with n. I hope to see you again soon. Bye!